Freilich and Chanukah, everyone. Wonderful to have everybody here.
Yes.
Special warm welcome to my Shver, Freilich and Chanukah, a lichtig in Chanukah. Hashem should give from the oiros of Chanukah a lot of koyach to you. A lot of koyach.
Yes, sir.
We are sponsored by the Fisher family, the Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Pero Bas Ruvain, also the Nishmas David ben Chaim, Lefu Shalem Efel Yomis Mechai Sarah, Yaakov ben Bas Yaleah, Schutz of Avram ben Yambenish Mamalki Yehudis, by Yoel Klugman and family, also Lefu Shalem for Avigdor Aryeh ben Rivka, Hinda Bas Chai Sarah, Chana Bas Shoshabina, Rivka Bas Shira Leah, Esther Fradel Bas Chana, Moshe Meir ben Esther Fradel, Aaron ben Sarah, Nachman Yaakov ben Sarah, and Yitz ben Sion ben Dusha, and Meir ben Chai Sarah. They should have Refu Shalema B'Sei Shachar Yisrael. We continue learning the blemishes that if a Bechor has a blemish, then the Kayin is allowed to shecht it. Ein Loi Bayim. Now here, Ein Loi Bayim, the Bayim, the testicles, there were two, and each one was in a separate pouch. If the two testicles were in one pouch, then or if there was two pouches but only one testicle, so then it's no good. So ein lo bayim, if it doesn't have two testicles in two separate pouches, but rather they're all in the same pouch, that's no good. Or if it only has one testicle, it's a mum. Rabbi Yishmael Aimer, im yesh lo shnei kisin, if there's two pouches, then yesh lo shnei bayim. Then you could be certain that there's two testicles. You don't see it, but you could be certain that ein lo ela kis echad. But if it only has one pouch, then ein lo ela beya achas, then it only has one testicle, and that's a mum. Rabbi Kiva says if it has two pouches, but you only see one testicle, moishivay ala kuzay, you put it on its buttocks, umamayich, and you squeeze. Im yesham beya, if there's a testicle there, seifa latzes, it's going to come out. If it doesn't come out, so then that's a mum. Ma'isa shemiech, they squeezed it, v'lo yatzis, and it didn't come out, v'nishchat, and then they slaughtered it, v'nimtzeis dvuka baksalim. They found the testicle was attached to the loins. V'hita Rabbi Akiva said it's good, it's a mum, because it wasn't in its proper place, it wasn't in the pouch, so that's a mum, and therefore they could use it. However, v'asir Rabbi Yochanan ben Nuri, but Rabbi Yochanan ben Nuri says since it had the two testicles, it wasn't a mum, and therefore it has to be buried. If the animal is bal chomesh raglayim, if it has 5 feet, that's a mum. Or if it has 3 feet, it's a mum. V'shiraglav klutaish kishel chamar, a kosher animal has split hooves. If its hooves were rounded like that of a donkey, that's a mum. V'ashachel v'akosel. What's shachel and kosel? So the Mishna explains. Eizau shachel. What's the mum of shachel? Shenishmeta yerechai. It's where its thigh slips from its place. The thigh sits in a socket. The thigh sits and the socket on the tibia, and if it's not on its socket, that's a mum, that's shachel. The kosel, now kosel is an interesting thing. The kosel, the top of the thigh is by the hip, and the hip is adjacent to the loins. If in this animal, the thigh was raised higher, so that it was above the loins, that's a mum, and that's called kosel. She'achas miyarchois of gevaya, one of the thighs was higher it extended higher than the loins, that's a mum, and you would be allowed to shech the animal because of it. Again, a reminder that tonight there is no second minyan. The second minyan will restart Monday night. Monday night we'll restart the minyan at 7:45. Party's over, and tonight we'll also have for the Shabbos table. Everything starting at 8:00. Reb Chananya ben Akasha Amaratza Kadosh Baruch Hu L'Zakos Yisrael Lefika Chir B'Lem Torah Mitzvah Shinam Adinoi Chafetz